Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about integration. So x squared plus 1 we divide by x squared plus 1 and we got number 1. The integration of this one, that is about Ln of the absolute value of x squared plus 1, because if we do first the derivative of this one, we got this one. The integration of number 1, that is about x, and then we put the bounds from number 1 to number 2. So I will put number 2 gone here, number 1 gone here and here. So we have the final answer. So this one, that is about number 5. That is about number 2. So Ln number 5 minus Ln number 2, that is about 5 over 2. Number 2 minus 1, that is about number 1, because we have the formula in here.